If your chicken and dumplings don't start off looking like this, you ain't got no flavor, baby. Y'all see that? Got pomodoro, bell peppers, onions, garlic. From scratch. You see how it go. Peel it right off and make it happen, baby. Get that right there. Fucking beautiful. Dumplings. Beautiful dumplings. Look at that beautiful plate right there. I recreated the chicken and dumplings from Rob's Kitchen without some of the ingredients, of course, but still, it came out beautiful. Tastes amazing.